What's poppin'? Good morning. What's good? What's good? Ready to run it up today. Absolutely run it up. How was everybody's day yesterday? Oh my god, I missed so many trades yesterday. Took a little bit of Facebook, paper handed the crap out of it, and everything else just absolutely ripped. So, what's good, Nate? Yeah, so yesterday I told everybody to watch. You guys were in here yesterday. You knew I was excited for the market to open yesterday. There were so many squeezes that were looking to release to the upside, and unfortunately, I missed most of them. But yeah, so basically, recapping yesterday, I told everybody to watch Facebook. And you can see specifically at 8:38, I said so many squeezes today. Thank you for the subscribe. I greatly appreciate it. But yeah, so many squeezes today. Facebook 1 hour flag plus breakout plus 1 hour squeeze plus 4 hour squeeze. It looks like it might try to fire up today. Price target 216.8, 218.76, and then 219.5. So if we head on over to Facebook, FB, we can see that Facebook went absolutely bananas yesterday, climbing all the way to a high of 220.69. Good morning, Jason. Good morning, Mel. Good morning, Jay. Good morning, Bears Sublime Life. Again, thank you for being channel members. If you guys could, make sure to click that like button. But yeah, so I said watch Facebook for the break. Tesla did not end up actually holding the breakout, so I was watching Tesla very, very closely. However, the level 2 was never confirming the breakout. So no trade on Tesla. AMD, absolute banger. Looking for the break above 115.2 for a continuation. 4 hour squeeze. Price target 115.9, 116.9, 117.16, 117.55, and then 118.44. So if we pull up AMD, we can see that went absolutely bananas yesterday, climbing to a high of 120.3. Actually, like 120.50 area. What was the final price target? 118. So way over the price target. Buenos dias, mi amigo. And then thank you for the subscribe. Greatly appreciate it. And then Nvidia. So Nvidia 1 hour trend line, looking for the break, plus 4 hour squeeze, looking for a break above pre-market highs for a push to 263, 266, 270.95, and 272.38. If we pull up Nvidia, NVDA, we can see this climbed all the way to a high of 283.11 yesterday. So absolute just bangers on bangers on bangers. You are not a channel member if you are not getting the bull logo. You have to be a channel member of the YouTube to get it. Anyways, let's make this watch list. I'm excited today. I leave for Vegas tomorrow, so I gotta pull in the racks. I'm up, how much am I up this week? Almost 5K this week, so it's been a really good week. Would like to make 5K more, but we'll see. Anyways, economic calendar. Friday, March 25th. What do we got? We got 5-year inflation expectations at 10 a.m. Pending home sales 10 a.m. We got some Feds. We got a lot of Fed speakers today. Okay. So Fed speaker 10 a.m. Fed speaker 11 a.m. Fed speaker 11 a.m. This one is going to be very, very important. So 12 o'clock, definitely keep an eye on this one. Let me tweet this. And then we will make the watch list. Let's see. And I know I still gotta buy a little thing for my microphone so you guys don't hear all the typing. I promise I will. Once I pay these taxes and get back from Vegas and I make sure I'm not broke, then I'll buy one. But again, make sure you guys are clicking that like button. Let's get into this. We got the yields rising again today, so definitely keep your eye on that. I believe the spread between the 10-year and the 2-year is 15 basis points right now. So definitely keep that on your radar. If it goes below 0, I made a whole video about that. But let me pull up the Discord to myself and top into it. So I actually have a theory too. I kind of think that the European market is going to get absolutely clapped. So I will be looking for some trades there. We'll see. No, that is not today. Anyways, let's see, priority week. We'll start there. AMD. Want to look for the continuation. Hopefully it doesn't break above that level at 120.95. I believe it broke all the SMAs yesterday. Yes, it did. Basically a straight shot up. So let's keep AMD on radar. What I know it's funny is I also post on TikTok and Instagram my top stocks that I'm watching for the week. I just posted 3 of them. And some dude this week I posted AMD, Tesla, and it was some swing trade. I forget what it was. But they said if you're wrong, I get to bully you. And AMD and Tesla just went absolutely crazy. So I was like, who you bullying now, fool? I love people on TikTok. Straight up haters. This Caterpillar looks interesting. Might look for, actually no, it's got to break out that trend line. CB waiting on a swing there. The thing is, I don't think I'm gonna put on any swing trades before I leave for Vegas, just because I want to enjoy my time while I'm there. Obviously I'm gonna day trade, but I don't want to have to be, you know, staring at a screen all day because I'm in a position. Let's see what happens with Costco today. Good morning, good morning. Again, make sure you guys are clicking that like button. We got 114 people in here and 58 likes. Once we get 150 likes, that is when I will drop the watch list. That was a terrible line right there. There we go. Keep our eye on CRWD. 200 SMAs at 231.01. I feel it today. I feel like today is going to be an absolute banger day. Manifesting like a 3 to 5K day. That's what I want. We'll see. DLTR waiting for a swing. Facebook pushing. Good morning, Diane. Good morning, Scott. Good morning, Chuck. Good morning, Jason. Again, channel members, I greatly appreciate y'all as always. We're gonna have to look for a Facebook entry here. GoDaddy looking for the swing. HES. I'm still so upset about this HES. This was my #1 swing trade that I wanted going into this week, and it gapped and went on Monday. So upset. I wanted those $100 calls. They were fairly cheap, and now they went $8 in the money yesterday. That MOS from the watch list went crazy too. I just never ended up trading it. Nvidia. Maybe Nvidia over yesterday's high. Take it to that. I'm assuming that's a misprint. It's got to be a misprint. But I would like that. Nvidia broke that 100-day SMA with ease yesterday. Our baby Tesla. Ooh, 1 hour orange dot squeeze. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. This is my #1 setup today. Let's see. Tesla. We're gonna chart this right now. That 1 hour squeeze is absolutely beautiful. Let's see, 1020 to 1024.50, 1040. 1044.7, 1050. I doubt it sees 1080, but hey, it's Tesla. Oh yeah, I was also looking at Tesla yesterday. What's really interesting is it has a weekly squeeze. And it's above the moving averages, so that squeeze is probably gonna go. Anyways, we're posting Tesla now, baby. This might be the trade that pulls me in 3 to 5K today. Tesla, my #1 setup for today. 1 hour orange dot squeeze plus symmetrical triangle breakout over 1020 for calls. Price target equal 1024.50. $1040.7. $1044.7. $1050. $1080.38. I don't trade to make as much as I can. I take A+ setups and size myself appropriately each day. That is not how you become successful in this game, by trading to make the most amount of money possible. I got a trade recap coming out on how I made $1,216 in 3 minutes on Tesla. I sat there and waited for an entire hour waiting for Tesla to break out of a bull flag. That video is dropping next week. But could I have went full size and tried to make as much money as possible? Of course, but that's not how you're gonna make it. So Tesla is my #1 setup for today. Make sure you guys go react to that in Team Bull. All right, so Tesla. Then what else we got on the list? I think that was the bottom. No, UNH. UNH did break out of all-time highs. The only issue is there's no liquidity. Exactly. You got to take what the market gives you. Yeah, no liquidity in UNH, so we're gonna skip that. That's unfortunate. And then WY, that was a swing I was watching, got absolutely clapped. Day trade stocks. Look at Apple. I mean, Apple could continue. I'm not interested. We got AMD on the list. Let's look at Boeing. If you're in Team Bull, go react to the post. If you're not in Team Bull, then I don't know what to tell you. You got to join Team Bull. If you want to join, go to the link in my Instagram. My Instagram's right down here at Carhorns. Click the link in my bio and use discount code BULL50, BULL50. Also, make sure you guys are clicking that like button. We got 166 people in here and only 93 likes. Remember, I will drop the watch list at 150 likes. So we need 57 more. But I do like this Boeing. Yeah, that ON looks good. It's a semiconductor ETF, so if Nvidia and AMD go, that thing's gonna go with it. Good way to play Nvidia and AMD, but for cheaper. Me and Coin got a little love-hate relationship, but it did break out of that flag right there. Maybe look for a continuation above 194. Again, I didn't enter ON. I'm not going to be around to monitor it, so it wasn't a signal. If you took it, like I said in the post, monitor it on your own. But I did tell you basically everything you need to know about it. $65 calls look good for April, whatever that third Friday is. I think it's April 14th. But it is completely up to you if you took it. We already got CRWD. Yes. Yeah, we do. You get a 2 free trial day, or 2 free trial days if you use the discount code BULL50, BULL50. We already got Facebook on the list. I don't trade Moderna. We look at Microsoft. No, but I want to watch Microsoft. Of course. Feel free to join the fam. This PayPal looks good too. Like that squeeze might try and go. 1 hour squeeze, 4 hour squeeze. Just depends where we can get that entry. Again, if you guys are not subscribed, make sure to click that subscribe button. I go live every single morning at 8:15 a.m. Eastern time and give you guys a completely free watch list for the day. So yeah, if you're not subscribed, I don't know what to tell you. I haven't traded Qualcomm in a minute. Yeah, no, I don't like them spreads. Yeah, and if you subscribe, you get a bing bong. 2 people already got a bing bong today. Still watching SQ for that breakout. See if we can possibly get that today. Let me tell you, you join Team Bull, you will never ever regret it. I guarantee you that. Thank you for the subscribe.
Bing bang.
And we already looked at Tesla. Let's look at Docu. Docu's kind of been on a rip recently. Throw that on the list. Cool, so we got a decently sized list today. AMD, Costco, CRWD, Facebook, Nvidia, Tesla, Boeing, Coin, Microsoft, PayPal, SQ, and Docu. I do not trade Roblox. That is not something I trade. Anyways, let's look at the futures. Futures pulling back slightly. Yields going up. Now, hold on, give me 1 second. Alrighty. So, let's narrow this bad boy down. Process of elimination. Like AMD, if it can crack above that high. Thank you for the subscribe. I greatly appreciate it.
Bing bang.
Let's see, the 122 calls have a good amount of liquidity, so I like that. So we'll keep AMD on watch. Costco have the spreads narrowed. Those 560s aren't bad. There's just not a lot of open interest. Let's take Costco off. CRWD. 1 hour squeeze releasing over 224, 225. Take CRWD off. Spreads are too wide for 0-day expiration. You guys can watch it if you like. I would watch the 2:30 calls. Facebook, we're gonna have to wait for a better entry to be given. In video, could also watch this for a possible bounce around 276. Yeah, Peyton, you know what's up. Jay, you also know that Apple's on my me and Apple are kind of like a toxic relationship, if that makes sense. I do like Nvidia though. Tesla, again, Tesla's gonna be my #1 setup today. Definitely gonna keep a very close eye on that if we can get that squeeze to fire. Boeing is definitely interesting. I know Jadon Age trading Boeing, but 190.59. Pretty overextended from the weekly 21 EMA. Daily looks like it's trying to break. What was yesterday's high? Here's yesterday's high. I mean, I like it. Keep Boeing on. There you go, my boy. Welcome to Team Bull. Again, if you guys haven't, make sure to click that like button. I will be dropping the watch list once I hit 150 likes. So make sure you guys run it up. I do think that Bitcoin, whatever they got going on with Bitcoin today, the little announcement thing, that's going to be very, very important to watch. That's at 12. Anyways, I do really like this coin. Broke yesterday's high. Wait for the break of the pre-market high. 55 EMA is at 197.54. Whoops. Make that blue. There we go. I mean, I really like coin. Waiting for we can look at the 195 calls. Good liquidity. Spreads are tight. So, love coin. Keep that one on the list. Microsoft. Kind of upset because I was planning to, I kind of wanted to do a butterfly on Microsoft yesterday, doing the 305s, 310s, and 315s. Shoulda, coulda, woulda. Hold on. This dude. I don't know why that person asked, how do you trade that on Thinkorswim? That, what kind of question is that? Anyways, 306, I like Microsoft above 306.25. I like PayPal. With that squeeze, we're just gonna have to find a possible entry. SQ. SQ liquidity doesn't really pick up until 140. So, I mean, we're talking a $5 move. Or $3.50 move. Maybe. And then DocU. We're almost at 150 likes. Can we do it? DocU above 105.78. There, yeah, okay. No, we cannot do DocU today. No liquidity until the 110s. So let's get coin on the list. I do really like that. What's this dude's name? Fed speaks on digital currencies. Okay, so coin. Fed speaks on digital currencies. at 12 p.m. EST. May see a run-up into the meeting. Looking for a break above 194 for a push to, of course, MB. Again, if you guys are not in Team Bull, but you follow me on Instagram, feel free to screenshot your gains and send them to me on Instagram. Greatly appreciated. One of my IRL friends, who's like the only person who has read my book, has been absolutely killing it. He ended up taking a swing trade. It was on my Instagram yesterday. I believe it was MP. Yeah, MP. He texted me about it on the weekend. He knows my strategy very, very well. Again, that book, I'm telling you, the book is going to, you guys are going to learn so much. Anyways, he took a swing trade on MP, and I don't have my phone, but it's on my Instagram story. If you go and you look at the iMessage text with my friend Nick, I think he made like 200% on this swing. But he was telling me about it before the market opened this week, or actually on the weekend. But yeah, absolutely beautiful. Nick, if you're in here, good job. Anyways, I'll actually put MP on my big old watch list because I don't have it. MP. Okay, so we got coin, and then I have to go and redo the pictures again, which I'm so irritated about. That's why I have this screen right here, because I had it full screen and it made the pictures, because I got it printed and everything, it made the pictures, like the white candlesticks, kind of blurry. So I have to go back with the screen like this so it makes the pictures more clear. I got like over 250 charts in that book, so I have to redo 250 charts. Which is so annoying. Anyways, what was next on the list? We got coin, Microsoft. $306.21, I'll be interested. 308. Broke above the 100-day, or actually it broke above the 200-day SMA, broke above a major resistance point. It's above the weekly 21 EMA. Yeah, we could see a nice little pump on Microsoft. Cool. Let's do this. Microsoft looking for the break above 306.25 for a push to 308.09, 310.09, 311.65. And then again, one more time, in case you guys are not a channel member, make sure to do so. If you do appreciate all the free education that I do give you guys and you would like to support the channel, head on over to my channel, click this big old button right here that says join. I do post some stuff to my members only. If you're not in the Discord, I'm going to give you guys the watch list there in the members only. I'll also give you guys my journals. But yeah, feel free to support the channel if you'd like. YouTube does not pay me enough for what I do. Good morning, Alan. But I do really like this Microsoft. Let's see if we can get one more. Let me see if anybody. Hold on. Chris is watching Apple, AMD, Microsoft. Cool, let's go to PayPal. Go to the option chain. Honestly, I'm gonna take PayPal off. You guys can watch it. Watch it for the break over 117.1. Yeah, I talked about Bitcoin has a daily squeeze that it's trying to release. I said it like I think it was 2 to 3 days ago. Yeah, Alan, I was actually looking at that THC. The only issue is there's no liquidity, or the spreads are very wide. So just wait for the liquidity to come in. Wait for the spreads to narrow. That's your good point. Or if they never narrow, then oh well. And so I do really like SQ. Love. AMD. Let's see, AMD, we're gonna have to come back to that. I'm pretty sure most people know that it's a misprint. If they really think I meant 206.5, I don't know what to tell them. 306.5. Facebook, okay, so let me go back to that AMD. I think I might take AMD off today. I don't know, we'll see. I do not trade BBIG. AMD, Facebook. The thing is with Facebook, I kind of feel like it moved too much, but I'll keep my eye on it. 224.40 or 224.22 would be the price target. AMD's price target would be, wow, lots of room. But I'm just trying to find support and resistance. There's not much. AMD literally came down, hit that monthly 21 EMA to a T, and then bounced. Don't know what ASML is. If it's a penny stock, I don't trade it. This AMD, it's got a lot of room though. I don't see anything. There's one. Other than that though, it might actually find its way onto the list, or maybe a bounce at 118.75. It's kind of a competition between Nvidia and AMD. Question is, which one is it going to be? Now we'll take one good look at Boeing. Lots of setups. Yeah, there's 5 stocks that I still like. We'll see. In the meantime, Tesla. I don't remember everything I said to watch. Tesla, Coin, and Microsoft. Now, it's just going to be, I guess I'm going to drop one more a little closer to market open, but the stocks that I do like is going to be AMD, Facebook, Nvidia, and Boeing. So now I'm just gonna have to narrow it down to one of them a little closer to market open, see which one I like the most. But here is the watch list for you guys. So we got Tesla, we got Coin, and we got Microsoft. And if you are a channel member, I'm about to drop this for you guys in the little community. And then Microsoft. So again, if you guys are not subscribed to the channel and you're just tuning in for your first time, every single morning, Monday through Friday, I go live at 8:15 a.m. Eastern time to give you guys a completely free watch list for the day. I will not be live next week, more than likely not going to be live next week. I'll be in Vegas living it up. But yeah, I will have some videos dropping next week. It's Lotto Friday, so as always, remember to only use 1/3 of what you made this week. Oh no, my dog's barking at. But, you know, only use a fraction of profits. You lose it, all right, you're done. Walk away. But yeah, Lotto Friday, very risky to trade. Let's run it up. Let's make money. If you're in Team Bull, I'll talk to you guys in like 20 minutes. If you guys are not in Team Bull, make sure to click the link in my Instagram bio. Let's run it up. Let's make some money. And I will talk to everybody, not next week, but oh my God, not next week, but the following week. There we go. Everybody take it easy. Enjoy your weekend. Peace.